What is up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at Shib as it is absolutely soaring. It's up over 11% today. The entire market is sort of just consolidating, but Shib has finally stopped lagging behind Dogecoin. If you look here on the chart, you can see Shib, hit a high of roughly 3 cents, let's say, because I don't want to say all the decimals. Then it fell back down and it was just consolidating for over a week, whereas Dogecoin hit a high, dropped a bit back down and instantly soared back up. So Shib is now finally catching up. Dog with Hat still hasn't had that soar yet. So, if you've missed out on Shib, you can potentially be looking at Dog with Hat to do a similar move. Now, the reason Shib is at an important stage right now is because it's forming this sort of U double top pattern. Now, I don't trade patterns. I don't really recommend trading patterns. However, it is a bull market and a lot of retail is entering the market. Therefore, we're going from sort of a more technical trading strategy to a more retail trading strategy, because a lot of retail traders, if you're all looking at a double top and you're all entering shorts, then it's going to influence the market quite a bit. So the reason this level is important because it's been a huge resistance in the past, all the way from April of 2024 and now back to November. We're finally breaking through this resistance, and once we actually break through, we're going to be able to use this level as a support, which essentially means we're building a new demand zone from a previous supply zone, which is very, very bullish. After we've actually broken through this zone, which it looks like we're very easily going to do, we hit quite a high of 3.1 cents. Now we've dropped a bit back down to below 3 cents, but overall we're still trading above this range quite significantly. After that, we can look to head to this level here of 0.618, and after that we can look to head to the 0.786, so something like this. Now, the hardest level to break is going to be probably somewhere around this area here, simply because this is, I think the all-time high for Shib, and it's definitely the last major high that we had before we plummeted all the way back down to 1 cent on Shib. So this is going to be a super important level to be watching on Shib. The entire meme coin market has seen a slight slowdown in growth. I think it was expected. We saw a huge pump. Doge is one of the only coins to actually be consolidating here at these highs. Pepe saw a slight downturn as well, but we hit the Fibonacci level perfectly and the previous high. So all these coins are trading with really good price action, but I think the people that are trading them and investing in them don't realize that. So it's a lot more of sort of FOMO buying. So if you're able to actually buy in, like for example on Pepe at this level, then you can simply just hold, because when Pepe will shoot up 10%, it's bound to go up to 20-30% because of the amount of FOMO entering the market. And the people investing in meme coins are usually quite new investors. It's not well-trained traders, it's not well-trained investors. They haven't been in the market for a long time, so they see a green number and they're just buying and buying and buying. Whereas when you entered, on these dips and when the market is sort of dumping, you're able to start selling on those people that are trying to pump up the market even more. And that's why meme coins are becoming slightly easier to trade, I'd say, in this current market. Now, does that mean that you're going to make a profit every time? No, but it does mean that you're able to use the influence of newer traders in your own trading. Now, if you do want to be getting trades every single day, whether that's meme coin trades, spot trades, futures trades, then check out the Discord down below. It will be the second link in the description. We're crushing it every single day in the market, so you can see on the screen right now the amount of wins we're having. Absolutely insane. I'd highly recommend you check it out. But nevertheless, what are we looking to do on Shib? Well, if you missed the entry here on 0.382, I'd look for a lower time frame. I'd look for us to close on the daily here above this resistance and supply zone that we had, and then I'd try and find a lower time frame entry somewhere around here. Once you find that entry, and the way you'd find that entry is when we actually come down to this level, we'd form some sort of lows and highs. You'd want to find maybe whether that's an order block here, a fair value gap here, some sort of high. You can enter when we break the high, when we come back down to the order block, and then enter your longs, your buy positions, anything like that. That's some sort of trade I'd be looking to enter, and it will be on a lower time frame, because trying to enter on the daily here will be a nightmare. So whether that's a 4 hour, 1 hour, as low as a 15-minute, I'd go. Try and find a lower time frame setup right at this area. It's quite a big area, so it should be quite easy to find. Once you find that area, I'd be looking to set stop. It depends whether you're entering futures or spot. If you're entering spot, I wouldn't look to set any stop loss, because you can just hold through the red until you actually see some green. If you are entering leverage, be very, very careful, because it is a very, very volatile coin, and without the proper guidance, you probably will get stopped out or even liquidated. So I'd be very careful entering with leverage. If you are going to, then maybe set your stops somewhere on the previous lows or highs, or even the lower time frame lows or highs. Then your take profit. The first take profit I'd really be looking for is going to be this one at 20% profit. So on spot, that's already quite good. I think it's very, very easy for Shib to reach this level. With leverage, you're looking at like 200% profit, so it's not that bad. Then your higher really take profit is going to be roughly at 40%. So that's something that I'd be looking to take the trade on. Two take profit levels, one at 20, one at 40%. If you're entering with 10x leverage, then that's 200 to 400% profit, which I think is very, very easily achievable with Shib and the way the current market is moving. Another key thing you'll have to be taking a look at is obviously Bitcoin, but Bitcoin looks like it's really thriving right now. It's forming well, and once we actually start breaking above 100,000, I think there'll be a lot of retail traders entering the market. There'll probably be a lot of press, a lot of media coverage on crypto market, and that's when I think we'll really be entering the latter stages of the bull market, where we go into the Ethereum phase, then the altcoin phase, then the meme coin phase. Now, if you did enjoy the video, please make sure to like and subscribe. Again, if you want to be getting trades every single day, then check out the Discord down below. If you need a place to buy, sell, or trade Shiba or any other crypto, then check out all the exchanges working with down below. Also, thank you all for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow. Goodbye, guys.